Hello guys, welcome and welcome to Meeting Nursing Academy, one of the leading academy in training nurses in the nursing competitive exam as well as IELTS and CLEX and OET training. See, as you all know, NIMHANS and common recruitment exam for senior nursing officer post is announced. So most of the students are so much anxious and stressed about how to face the examination. So what will be the syllabus, how to solve the questions, what are the strategy has to be followed, how to manage the time. Each and everything is stressing students' mind, and as you all know that each and every year Meteor Nursing Academy is supporting the students and they are giving so many achievers every now and then. So if you want to be one among them, if you want to clear the NIMHANS examination or CRE for SNO examination, so this is the right time for you guys to join the Meteor Nursing Academy crash course, hybrid crash course, intensive crash course. Okay, so where, when, how it is going to be, each and everything will be covered in this video. So watch the video till the end. Definitely it will be so much useful for you. For the first time in Bangalore for nurses, Meteor Nursing Academy is conducting 7 days intensive offline hybrid crash course. Okay, so as I mentioned already, it is exclusively for NIMHANS and CRE SNO exams. Okay, so the first thing what is coming into your mind, how to do the registration. If you want to attend the class, how to do the registration, right? So for that, it is very simple procedure. They have given a link here. Just type this link in the Google taskbar and it will channelize you to registration process. Okay, and second question, how much I have to pay for booking the seat, booking the slot? So you supposed to pay rupees 500. Okay, just for booking the slot. This slot is for offline. Okay, and the next question what is coming into your mind, whether online classes are available or not, because as I mentioned already, offline seat booking 500 rupees. What about for online? Obviously online live session is also available, even the recorded session is also available. Okay, fine. So for that, what is the fees payment, each and everything we'll be discussing one by one. Okay, so what are all the other features is there in the Meteor Nursing Academy? We'll be seeing that in the last slide. So now I'm going to tell about the offline venue. Okay, offline venue. So where this offline 7 days intensive crash course is going to happen. See, the venue is given very clearly here, offline venue. Just go through it. It is IMA Bhavana near 8th Mile Metro Station. Okay, so it is very near to Edify School. So just go through this address and you will be reaching that particular offline venue. Okay, fine. And the next one is date for intensive crash course. It is from 9th December to 15th December 2023. So 7 days intensive crash course, which is starting from 9th December and it is ending on 15th December 2023, and the time is going to be 9 AM to 6 PM. Okay, so save these dates. So first come first basis we are serving the students, and if you are interested, please register yourself with the given link which I mentioned already. If you are an offline student, you supposed to pay 500 rupees and register yourself. Okay, and the balance amount has to be paid in the offline venue. Okay, so what is the balance amount? See, total offline fees is 5,500 rupees. In this 5,500 rupees, 500 rupees you are paying as a initial registration for booking the slot, and balance 5,000 you have to pay in the offline venue. Okay, and for online students, you supposed to pay 4,500 rupees at a stretch. Okay, 4,500 rupees. So 9 AM to 6 PM is the timing for the crash course, and in that time, for refreshment, lunch and high tea will be provided. Okay, so utilize this 7 days from 9th December to 15th December for successfully clearing this examination. And apart from that, they have also given the phone numbers for contacting them if you are having any queries. You have given three phone numbers. You can see the phone numbers here: Bangalore help desk number and Tamil Nadu help desk number. Okay, so just go through the number. If you are having any doubts, you can contact this number and clarify your doubts. And The classes will be taken by the leading faculty. The best example is Mr. Rajkumar Kannayan. He is a former nursing officer from AIMS New Delhi and also the founder chairman of Meteor Academy. And the subject what he is going to cover is fundamental medical, surgical and community health nursing. Let's see in detail about the days, 7 days intensive crash course days, how they are classified it, how they are distributed that. Okay, so here you can see day 1 to day 7. Just go through it. Here each and every subject is covered. Okay, so session 1, session 2, session 3, session 4, like 4 session will be there, which is starting from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and in the end of the session every day test is going to be conducted to evaluate yourself. Okay, so this is how the crash course is going to be. So faculties classes will be taken by a team of faculties led by Mr. Rajkumar Kannayan, and team of faculties included former nursing officer of AIMS New Delhi. Okay, fine. Other features of Meteor Nursing Academy: a 7 days intensive nursing ultra fast subject review, 8 hours per day. Class timing, as I mentioned already, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Lunch and high tea will be included. Extensive and focused coverage of probable nursing topics as well as non-nursing topics. Proven exam winning strategies also explained over here with motivational session. Covering both scenario based questions as well as image and video based questions. And they will be teaching you the unique success strategy by Meteor mentors and recent achievers. Even they will be focusing on how to reduce their negative marking, time management, tips and tricks, and how to overcome the anxiety and stress management. So all the best guys. So this is the right time to choose the right academy, and this is the right academy to make you success. So think wise and join immediately. Thank you very much for watching this video.